Good morning, children. Let us solve problems using properties of determinants. Just look here. This determinant, you have to show it is same as x minus y, y minus z, z minus x and this. Okay. So x minus y means what? R1 minus R2. Z minus x, you can do R3 minus R2. Then y minus z or z minus y, you can do these two row subtraction. Okay, but we are not going to do all together. Let's do some minimum and see whether it is going to help us. Let us do R1 minus R2, R3, let us do R3 minus say R2. So let's do it. So R1 will be now x minus y, x square minus y square, yz minus zx, y square zx, z minus x, z square minus x square, xy, sorry, it will be z minus y, z square minus y square, and it will be xy minus zx. Yes? Now let us simplify this. X minus y, y, z minus y. X minus y, x plus y. Y square, z minus y, z plus y. Now here you have x minus y, but if I take here z common, it will be y minus x. So I will take here z time x minus y, zx. Now here if I take minus x, yes, then only I'll get here z minus y. If I take x, then it will be y minus z. Now you can take something common. First row x minus y, last row z minus y. So now write the remaining terms. Here you have nothing. Here you have 1 x plus y minus z, y square zx, 1 z plus y and minus x. Yes. Now you want z minus x also. No, one more bracket is there. So what you can do? X minus y, z minus y. Z plus y minus x plus y will give you z minus x. So you can do in R3 minus R1. So R1 I will keep as it is. Y square zx. So 1 minus 1 0, z plus y minus x minus y. So it will be z minus x. And what about here? It will be minus x plus z. So z minus x. Now you can take z minus x common. X minus y, z minus y, z minus x. Plus y, y square, 1 minus z and zx. Is it okay? Now we have used all the properties of determinants. Yes, children? And you can see that if I expand along R3, it will be easy for me, right? So what I'm going to expand along R3. This position is 3 1 positive, 3 2 negative, 3 3 positive. So let us expand along third row. First one is 0, so no problem. One time. This row, delete. Delete this row. If you have a pencil, you can use like this. This row and this row delete. So what will we have? We have zx plus zy because minus of zy. This will be with minus sign, no? Yes, because it's second position. Third position will be 1. So it will be y square minus xy minus y square because y square minus y times of this. Y square will get cancelled. So you have x minus y, you have z minus y, you have z minus x, and you have minus zx minus zy minus xy. But in our question, it is all positive. Also you have y minus z. But here you have z minus y. So this minus will be adjusted with this bracket. So it will be x minus y. Minus will go here. So it will be y minus z, z minus x, and zx plus zy plus xy. This is your RHS. Okay. Alright, now let's go for the next problem. Just watch the problem. Okay, is equal to 1 plus a square plus b square cube. Okay, now children, here what the problem is you have 1 plus a square minus b square. So if I am able to make it plus b square, I will be able to get 1 out of this cube. Alright, so what I am going to do, children, in my row C1, I am going to do C1 minus b C3. So what will happen? This is 1 plus a square minus b square minus 2b square. Yes, so it will be 1 plus a square plus b square. Okay. Similarly, I am going to do one more operation. In C2, I am going to do C2 plus a C3. Column 2. So what will happen? C2, this I am adding a. So this will be minus 2ab will be cancelled. This will become plus 2a square. So minus a square plus 2a square will be given me again a square plus b square. Okay, let's try it. First column is not has to be brought change. So what it will be? C1 minus BC3. C1 minus BC3. So it will be 1 plus a square. Now this is, children, minus b square. Okay, C1 minus b square. Minus of minus will become plus and with b. So 2b square. So minus b square plus 2b square will be plus b square. Okay. Now 2ab minus 2ab will be 0. Now here it will be 2b. Okay, 2b. If you want, I can write here 2b minus b. Okay, b times of C3 minus a square b minus b cube. Is it okay? 2b minus b times of this. So b minus b. This will be plus and this will be plus. This will be plus, no? Minus b. Okay. This also will be plus. Okay. Then we will simplify it. Then no problem. C3 is not change. So C3 we will write it as it is, children. Sorry. 2b. I'll write here. 2b. Then you have 2a. And you have 1 minus a square minus b square. Now C2 let us do. C2 2ab minus 2ab 0. 1 minus a square plus b square plus 2a square. So it is 1 plus a square plus b square. Now here it is minus 2a C2 plus a minus a cube. Right, because a and minus ab square. Now let us simplify this. So this will be 1 plus a square plus b square and this will be 0. Now this 2b minus b is b, no? And b is also there. So you can take 1b common. So it will be 2b minus b is b. So 1 plus a square plus b square. 0. 1 plus a square plus b square. Minus 2a plus a is a, no? A can be taken common. So 1. Yes. So you have again 1 minus you can take here I think minus a common. This is minus a, no? So minus a. See if I write it is minus a cube minus ab square. Yeah. So if I take minus a, it will be 1 plus a square plus b square. Why am I doing this? Because I want this bracket. Here it is again as it is minus 2b, 2a, 1 minus a square minus b square for you. Okay. Now you can take this 1a square plus b square column from here, 1a square plus b square column from here. So it will be 1 plus a square plus b square the whole square because you are taking common from two columns. 0, 1 minus a minus 2b, 2a. Last you have nothing to take as common. Yes. Now children, what you can do is for better simplification, I am going to do one more thing. In C3, I am going to do C3 plus 2b times C1. Why am I doing it? For better sibling. If you want, you can expand here itself. But I thought I will do one more thing. C3. Okay, this is C3. In C3, I am adding 2 times of BC1. Okay, let's see what happens. So this is 1 plus a square plus b square the whole square. 1 0 b 0 1 minus a. So what will happen here? It is minus 2b. Yes, minus 2b plus 2b 0. Understood why I did it? Because I will get a 0, then it will be easy for my simplification. 2a plus 2b times this. So 0. 1 minus a square minus b square plus 2b square. So it will be 1 minus a square minus, it will be 1 minus a square minus b square plus 2b square. So it will be plus b square. Yeah. Now I can expand along first row or second row. So if I expand along first row, what will you get? A square plus b square the whole square. Along first row, what you will get? If I open along first row, okay. So this will be 1 times of this. So it will be 1 times of 1 minus a square somewhere I have done a mistake, I think. Just look here, it is 1 0 0 0 1. Okay. Here it is C3 plus 2b C1. No children, it should be 2a. That's why I was wondering why it is wrong. Understood? C3 plus 2ca. So it is 2a. So now this will be minus 2a square. Plus 2a square. No, because minus of minus this. So this will be 1 plus a square plus b square the whole square into 1 into this will be minus a plus a square plus b square. So this is nothing but 1 plus a square plus b square the whole cube, because this is 1. Understood? I made a mistake here while writing the element here. 2a plus 0 times this. So it is okay now. Okay. Now I think one more we can do and we can stop for the day. Yes, here also you can see everything ABC, ABC. Yes, children. So what we can do is, let me write my LHS as it is. A square plus 1, AB, CA, AB, B square plus 1, CB, AC, BC and C square plus 1. Okay. What I am going to do is, I am going to multiply and divide by ABC. Multiply and divide by ABC. So what it will be now? It will be first row by A. First row by A. Second row by B. Third row by C. Is it okay, children? Because if I remove this ABC outside, I will get back my original. Now I am going to take ABC common from column. So it will be a square plus 1 b square c square b common from this column. A square b square plus 1 and c square. Take from this side c common. A square b square c square plus 1. Is it okay? Yes. Now you add all the rows. R1 plus, R2 plus, R3. So this will get cancelled, no? ABC will get cancelled. So what you will get? 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Adding all this. 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Remaining you keep as it is. Now what can you do? You can bring 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square common from the first row. So 1 b square c square, 1 b square plus 1 c square, again 1 b square c square plus 1. Okay. Now if you want, you can expand along this because you have used, ultimately we have exhausted everything. So what you can do, children, here is, let us make one of the rows or columns 0. So let me do in R1, I am doing say R1, or I think this way will help better. B square, C square will get cancelled. So in C1, okay, in C1 I am going to do C1 minus C2, C1 minus C2, and in, let us do this, then we can see. So 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square, okay, times this. 1 minus 1 0, 1 0, 1 B square plus 1 C square, 1 B square C square plus 1. I just wanted 2 zeros, okay. So I think now we are through. Now no need to do better simplification. So now expansion along of the determinants along any one row or column. Now this time I think because there are 2 zeros, we can expand along first column. Position is 1 1 positive, 2 1 negative, 3 1 positive. Okay. So it will be 0 0 is over, minus 1 time. Delete the row, delete the column. I think it is better if you write like this. I think you will not get confused. That row, that column. So 1 C square, 1 C square plus 1. Alright, let's check what it is. Okay, it's minus 1 time C square plus 1 minus C square. Okay, children, here it will be just see here, C1 minus C2, no, B square, and here it will be minus 1. Yes, so this minus and this minus, already the position will give me plus 1. Now C square will get cancelled. So I have this value as 1. So it is 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square, which is nothing but my RHS. Okay, whenever you don't get the answer, just go back and see whether your steps are wrong. Okay, thank you, children. That's all for the day.